हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आप सभी की डिमांड पे यहाँ पे इंग्लिश मीडियम प्रैक्टिस शीट्स 1 है एंड इंक्लूडिंग होल सेक्शन मीन्स रीजनिंग, मैथमेटिक्स एंड जनरल अवेयरनेस। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, select the combination of numbers so that letters arranged accordingly will form a meaningful word. Okay, here is the four option and by putting in the options, okay, let's see the first option. 2 3 1 6 4 5. 2 means A, 3 R, 1 V, 6 E, 4 S and 5 T. No meaningful word. Similarly, let's check option number 2, option number 3 and option number 4. Here is the correct option is option number second. Let's see. 4 5 2 3 1 6. 4, the 4 place for the alphabetical letter A, sorry, S. 5 T, then 2 means A, then 3 means R, 1 V and 6 E. Starve. This is a meaningful word. Okay, the correct option for the question number first will be second option. Okay, see the second question. If white is called black, black is called red, red is called yellow, yellow is called green. आप सभी को कमेंट करना है, ठीक है। एवरीवन हैव टू बी कमेंट द करेक्ट आंसर। आई विल चेक। Red is called yellow, yellow is called green, green is called blue, blue is called violet and violet is called orange. What would be the color of human blood? So as we know that the color of human blood is red, and according to the question, red is called yellow, red is called yellow, so the right answer will be the option number 4, yellow. Okay, question number 3. Select the related word from the given alternatives. In the first relation, STY to PIG, and we have to find out for BYRE. What will be there? Okay, let's check. The resting place of pig is called sty, या st. Similarly, BRA for cow, sorry, means the resting place for cow will be the BRA, and second option will be the correct option for the question number 3rd. Okay, let's see question number 4. Select the related word from the given alternatives. पेट्रोल, ये पेट्रोल वाला नहीं है, पेट्रोल पेट्रोल है। ओके, स्पेलिंग आप ध्यान देना। पेट्रोल, सिक्योरिटी, तो पेट्रोल इज द वर्क ऑफ सिक्योरिटी पर्सन. सिमिलरली इंश्योरेंस will be related to, here is the 4 options and the correct option will be the option number 4. Insurance is for what purpose? Risk. Okay, question number 5. Select the related letters from the given alternatives. Everyone have to be commented the correct option for each questions. I will check later. Select the related letters from the given alternatives. Please like the video and share and also subscribe our channel. And groups for DRDO MTS exam links are available in the description, so must join. Okay, check. ADBC related to EHFG. Similarly, ILJK will be related to A, D, बी सी +4 +4 +4 +4, we will get E H F G. Similarly I L J K +4 +4 +4 +4. I +4 means J K L M. L +4 means M N O P. J +4 means K L M N. K +4 means L M N O. M P N O means the second option will be the correct answer for this question. Okay, question number 6. Select the one which is different from the other three responses. Here there are given four responses, in the four options. We have to choose, we have to find out the options which is different from the other three responses. Okay, let's check. First option 5 का स्क्वायर एंड 6 का स्क्वायर. सेकेंड ऑप्शन 12 का स्क्वायर 13 स्क्वायर. थर्ड ऑप्शन 10 का स्क्वायर 11 का स्क्वायर. मीन्स वी विल गेट ईयर या वी विल फाइंड ईयर कि द टू consecutive numbers on squaring them we get the options 5 and 6, 12 and 13, 10 and 11. These are consecutive number and after squaring them we get the options first, second and third. But in the fourth option 3 square and square of 8. Okay, 3 and 8 are not a consecutive numbers, so this option 4 will be the different from remaining three options. The correct option for the question number 6 will be fourth. Question number 7. Select the one which is different from the other three responses. Here there are given four options: heat, light, bulb and electricity. We have to choose the correct options or the options which is different from the remaining three options. Okay, let's check. Bulb is an item while remainings are phenomena. Bulb is an item, is a material, and remainings means heat, light, electricity are the functions, are the phenomena. Okay, so here the option number third is the different from remaining three options and the correct option will be the third for the question number 7. Okay, question number 8. Select the one which is different from the other three responses: wave, current, tide, storm. Here tide is a regular rise and fall on the sea level. Okay, like this. And wave, current, storm, these three options or these three phenomena are related to both air and water. Okay, so the different options from the remaining three options will be the correct answer for this question, and the option number 3 is the correct option for the question number 8. Question number 9. Select one which is different from other three responses: Z, K, X, J. Second option C, M, A, L. Third option T, G, R, F. Fourth option F or T, K. Okay, let's check one by one. J +1 K और K -1 J. ओके, जैसे आपको सूटेबल लगे आप ऐसे इसको चेक कर सकते हो. सिमिलरली X +2 we will get z, or z minus 2, we will get x. Similarly, a plus 2c, L plus 1 M. Similarly, R plus 2 T and F plus 1 G. But in the option number 4, we will not get T plus 2 not is not equal to 4. Okay, so this option will be the different options from the remaining 3 options. And the last question for this session of reasoning. After this, we will discuss, we will cover general awareness and at the last quantitative aptitude. Select the one which is different from the other 3 responses. Let's check the 4 options. All the 4 options. A, B, J, N, M, Q, R, T, U, Z, I, X, Y, O, Q, W, F, G, O, P. If we try to calculate, try to find out the relation of some different, yani by adding some or by subtracting some, we will not get a symmetricity. So now see from other angles. Okay, let's check. In the first option, there is only one vowel A. In second option, one vowels U. In the fourth options, there is one vowel O. But in the option number 3rd, we see that here there is 2 vowels I and O. Okay, the third option will be the correct option for the question number 10, and this option is the different responses from the 3 remaining options. Okay, here the reasoning portion is completed. Now we will discuss general awareness. Which of the following is the most close to the definition of oligopoly? Oligopoly, monopoly, these are the terminology which must have to be understood by everyone. So oligopoly, basically these are related to a market, and oligopoly is a market in which there are only a few sellers but more than 2, यानी एक सेलर नहीं होना चाहिए, वहाँ पे भी मोनोपोली हो जाएगा. इफ देयर इज ओनली वन सेलर, that market will be known as monopoly. But there is more than 2 sellers, but still they are few. In that cases, market is a oligopoly. So on checking the 4 options, cigarette industry, barber shop, welding shops, wheat growing farmers, these are the way. For these 3 options there are very sellers, but for these product there are few sellers. Okay, the option number first will be the correct option for the question number 36. 37. One of the essential conditions of perfect competition means there is a balance between sellers and buyers, or the equivalent condition of buyers and sellers. Pure competition means a market situation where there is a large number of independent sellers offering or selling identical or symmetrical or homogeneous products. Also the price is uniform as the products for the identical products. Okay, so option number 4, same price for same things at one time. This is the condition for perfect competition. 4th is the correct option for question number 37. Question number 38. Which agency acts as a regulator for mutual funds? Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. SEBI is a responsible SEBI is responsible for regulating the mutual funds, share markets. Okay, second option will be the correct option for question number 38. Question number 39. In which year was Imperial Bank of India established and later this is nationalized and after that known as State Bank of India in the year 1955? Okay, remember that. In the year 1921, Imperial Bank of India was established. Okay, option number first is the correct option. Question number 40. Which of the following is not? Again, I am requesting all of you, please comment the correct option before knowing the correct option. Okay. So which of the following is not the work of the legislature? Legislature means parliament, assembly. These are the form of legislature where the acts are passed, bill are passed, and after signature of governor or president, they become acts. Here the correct option for the legislature is budgeting. Budgeting is the under the cabinet minister. Okay, this is the not a function for legislature, but legislature, the function of legislature are making laws, passing of budget, control on the executive, and more things and many more. The option number second is the correct option for the question number 40. 41. Who is the pioneer of social contract theory? At the end of the session, please comment how many questions you are corrected. Okay. The pioneer of social contract theory, here all the three options are correct. Hobbes, Locke, Rousseau, all options are correct. Let's understand some basics of social contract theory. Social contract theories the view the person's morality and or political obligations are dependent upon a contract or agreement among them to form the society in which they live. For example, democracy, and many more examples you can judge. Question number 42. By which constitutional amendment Delhi was provided with legislative assembly? Some constitutional amendment, for example, 42nd, 73rd, 74th, and like this, must remember. Here the correct option will be the 69th amendment. 43. Article 368. The process of constitutional amendments comes from the constitutional aspect or prospect from South Africa. So the Article 368 empowers the parliament to amend the constitution or its article or its other aspects including whole by way of addition, variation or repeal any provision of this constitution in accordance with the procedure laid down in this article. Okay, here the correct option will be the option number 4, power of parliament for constitution amendment. Question number 44. Which Harappan site is located in Haryana? So some famous Harappan sites which we have to must remember. So here the correct option will be Rakhi Gadi. Rakhi Gadi is a Harappan site and that is located in Haryana. Dhaulavira in Gujarat, Kalibangan in Rajasthan, Alamgirpur in West UP or UP, Uttar Pradesh. Here the correct option will be the second option. And the last question for the session, for the general awareness. Question number 45. Chor Minar in the Hauj Khas area of Delhi was constructed by. Chor Minar means simply Tower of Thieves. Okay. So this was built under the rule of Alauddin Khilji in the 13th century. Option number 4 first is the correct option for the question number 45. Okay. Now we will discuss quantitative aptitudes. Okay, let's see the question number first. What is the value of root 247 in the root 247 plus again root 81? Okay. Systematically we will solve. First let's see the 81 is a perfect square number and the square root for this number 81 will be 9, means 247 and this will be plus 9. Now add this 256, we get 256 and the 256, the square root for 256 will be the 16, means on squaring the number 16 we will get 256. Here the correct option for the question number 66 will be second. Next, how many positive factors of 288 are there? So we have to find out here positive factors for the number 288. Okay, let's factorize 288 by dividing the prime numbers. Start from 2, 1 4 4, again from 2 7 2, again from 2 36, again from 2 18, again from 2 9 and after that 3 3. We can write this like this or a short trick. Please notice that first write the same factors in their power, such as 2 2 2 2 here 5 times, so we can write it 288 factors of 288 is equal to 2 के power 5 multiplied by 3 power 2. And in the question we have to find out whole, yani how many factors, all the positive factors for 288. So simply add the power by 1, 5 plus 1 2 plus 1 and now multiplied them. 6 into 3 we will get 18. This is the correct option, correct answer. ओके, तो वेरी वेरी इजी ट्रिक्स है, सभी लोग ध्यान से देख लो, आपको ऐसे ही करना होता है. और इसमें भी आपको अगर इवन फैक्टर्स या ऑड फैक्टर्स पूछा जाए तो वहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे डिफरेंट रहेगा. तो वी विल डिस्कस दिस लेटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द HCF ऑफ 2 के पावर क्यूब मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 7 रेज टू स्क्वायर and 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 1. HCM is highest common factor. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 and this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, the common factors are, okay, the answer will be the 2 के power 3 or 2 raised to 3, or simply see there 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 5. The common factor will be 2 raised to 3 and the remainings have no common part. So this will be the answer simply. 69. What is the value of 12 square minus 11 square plus 14 square minus 13 square plus 16 square minus 15 square plus 18 square minus 17 square plus 20 square minus 19 square? Very easy question. As we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay, तो 12 स्क्वायर माइनस 11 स्क्वायर 14 माइनस 13 16, इसको आप ऐसे ब्रैकेट में कर लो लाइक दिस. तो ये आपका हो जाएगा 12 प्लस 11 एंड 12 माइनस 11. सिमिलरली यहाँ प्लस साइन हो गया आपका. 14 माइनस 13 14 प्लस 13 प्लस 16 माइनस 15 16 प्लस 15 प्लस 18 माइनस 17 एंड 18 प्लस 17 प्लस 20 माइनस 19 एंड 20 प्लस 19. Okay, solve this. We get 23 plus 27 plus 31 plus 35 and plus 39. Add this, so we get 155. So this is the required answer for the question number 69. Option number 4 will be the correct option. Question number 70. What will be the remainder when sum up these numbers is divided by 6? Very easy question. Simply add them and divide by 6. So we will get the remainder as 3. Option number 3 will be the correct option. Or simply divide the each number separately and after that add the remainders of all numbers and again divide by 6. Okay, I hope everyone have to be understand this and I hope आप सभी को समझ में आ भी गया होगा कैसे करना है आपको. Okay, see the question number 71. What is the least number multiplied to 100 so that the number becomes a multiple of 15? Very easy question. 15 have the factors 5 into 3 and 100 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So we will get the required two factors for the 15. So one factor is present in the factors of 100 but 3 is not present. So we will require to multiply it by 3 in these factors so that both the factors will be available. Okay, after then we will get 15. So these three will be multiplied to the number 100 and we will get 300 and this 300 this digit will be divisible by the number 15. So the correct option for this question will be option number 4. Answer is 3. 72. Working 15 hours a day, Goldie can complete a piece of work in 24 days. How many hours a day he should work so as to finish the work in 18 days? Very easy question. Simply do the mdt upon w is equal to m1 d1 t1 w1 m2 d2 t2 upon w2. Here the days are available and the times are available, so we only consider the d and t, means d1 t1 is equal to d2 t2. d1 is 15 and d2 is 24, so 15 multiplied by 24 is equal to d2 18 into t2. Okay, so t2 will be 20 hours, and this is the required answer for the question number 72. Option number first is the correct option. Question number 73.